Of Eli Lilly, take a look, up over 3%. The pharmaceutical giant releasing more data on its obesity pill. Patients with obesity and diabetes lost about 10.5% of their body weight. The new data clears the way for Lilly to seek regulatory approval. Guggenheim analyst Seamus Fernandez joins us now. He's got a buy rating on Lilly, price target of $875. So how do you take this news? You know, we got the previous data. There seemed to be some disappointment, perhaps, at the average weight loss. Has that faded?
Yeah, thanks, David. So I would say that the previous data was more an expectations game, that people were expecting Wegovy exact weight loss, not Wegovy-like weight loss. What we got was Wegovy-like weight loss in the ATTAIN-1 study. Here, in this ATTAIN-2 study in diabetes, the results look very, very similar to what Wegovy has accomplished in other studies in diabetic patients. So ultimately, our conclusion here is orforglipron looks like a really well-behaved GLP-1 that can be taken orally instead of as an injection.
And is that the game changer that many believe in terms of what it will mean for sort of the masses, so to speak, Seamus?
I think in terms of scale, the big dynamic here is being able to produce an oral pill and have it easy to take. So we actually do think that this is a pretty meaningful step up. What the game changer is going to be is where Eli Lilly chooses to price the product at the end of the day. That's probably the greatest unknown at this point. But the fact that they have tirzepatide, a robust pipeline of additional injectable assets, and orforglipron likely to hit the market in the middle of next year, we think that the profile and the path forward for Eli Lilly is actually pretty exciting at this point.
And what about for Novo, which is obviously looking to similarly compete with an oral as well?
Yeah, so Novo, I think the challenge for Novo really is sort of the dynamics in the pipeline and its ability to launch new products at the same pace as Eli Lilly. Certainly, they're participating in the market in robust fashion. They are the number 2 player in the market in the U.S. at this point. Globally, they're actually the number 1 player in the GLP-1 market. So they're definitely, still a huge player in the space. But the reality is that, we think Eli Lilly is coming with a more robust pipeline overall, a lot of incremental opportunities to grow into this market, take market share. But I think the biggest hurdle for Novo at this point in time is going to be the scalability of their own oral pill. And then separately, it really comes down to this compounding issue that a lot of you know about with regard to HIMSS. That's an intellectual property challenge. There's a whole host of issues built around that, and something we've never seen before.
All right, Seamus, got to leave it there today, a bit brief, but appreciate it. Thank you.
Thank you, guys. Great seeing you.